Hello, I'm gonna do a video of Treasure Hunt Simulator. Now, all I gotta do right now is collect my daily reward. I played this game and it's so good. I'm so far in this game and I love it. I don't want to rebirth anymore. But all you gotta do is dig. Dig for your life. Oh, and I'm already done. Wow, that's quick. And yeah, the sound isn't great. I can move on to different areas though. Okay, I'll move on to a different area. What's the best place I can get to? Let's see. Oh, wow. That's a volcano? I don't want to go on the volcano. Treasure Hunt Islands. Play that game if you want. It's a new one. I think this is the place. Yeah, this is the best place I'm at. Oh, someone's already here. Oh. Oh, rainbow chest. Yeah, oh. Oh, God. Oh, come on. Where is he go? What on earth is this place? Wow, I'm just gonna dig down. I'm digging. This is like the best sound you can have. Oh, just. There we go. And if you can see, I got 36 million coins. I don't know what to spend them on though. I don't know how I got them. Anyways. I look a little cool. Domino hat and whatever that is. I don't know. Oh, yay, a chest. Prisoner chest. Oh no, there's a prisoner. A prison escape. A prisoner. Oh, well, there we go. Oh, what? No. Oh. Okay, let's get that and all this stuff. And I have this biome. I get a decent amount, yeah. Then I can see what I can. Wait, how much those are? Okay, grab a crate, and I will give someone one of these. I have 114 of them. Anyways, let's hatch this. I get skip. Oh, I can't skip. But secret vampire. I'm gonna see if that came up. No. Okay, didn't. Whatever this is, I'm gonna hatch it as well. I get. Oh, I already have that. That's boring. I'm gonna hatch one of these, and then I'm gonna give 10 away to someone. Stick Mastro. Okay. Now I'm gonna see. Let's see. I don't know what my best things are. It should say equip the best one. So I'm just gonna give some 10 of them away to each player in the server if I can. No, I'll just go with one person at the moment. If he even accepts the trade, I'll go on to that guy. Any second now. Come on. Okay, I'll go on to this guy. Oh, gosh. Anyone in this server gonna take it? Oh my gosh. Does someone accept a trade? Yay! Okay, I'm gonna give you 20. What? I was giving him a ton, and he just declines it. That's just rubbish. Oh, I'm gonna go down here. Whee! Where's the rainbow chest? There it is. Oh. Now where is it? There it is. Okay. Let's get it. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. It gives you like... Really? No, I'm not selling. I hate the sound of it though. It's very annoying, isn't it? Anyways, while I'm waiting, please hit the subscribe button if you'd like. You can always unsubscribe later if you want. I'm mining away here. And I just made one of the... Oh, never mind. Come on. I'm so close. See where it says rainbow chest? Yeah, that's going down. Because I have like the weirdest shovel or bucket ever. An Easter one. It's not even Easter. It's around Halloween. So, I'm nearly there. Nearly there, come on. Any second now. And boom, you see, that gave me so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I sell it straight away. Well, that's just... I want to see if I can go to moon landing. Because you have to mine. Oh, I need 10 rebirths. I don't want a rebirth. I'm going to see if there's anything else I can do. Let's go over here. I wish there was a sprint button in this game. Because I'm so slow. Even that guy is disappointed by it. Now, let me see. Well, I've unlocked that place, and that's crap. Oh yeah, over here there's other ones. Let's see what these are. I have the Pirate Isle. This one, what is this? 50 rebirths? No! Oh, that costs Robux. No, I want, there. See, I do have the Pirate Isle unlocked. Let me just see how good it is. Oh no. Wait. Oh no, it's not great. Well, goodbye. Back to land. He can't get out. Oh, he can't get out. That guy's stuck. Oh! No. 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 I'm stuck with this guy. Oh. You're even... Hey, the rainbow chest! Yes, yes, I need this. I need this. I need this. Another beautiful rainbow chest. Yes. I don't care if it says sell, or upgrade, or buy infinite space. No, I'm not doing that. No, never. Maybe sometime, but not now. Anyways. Dig up the like button if you can, like I'm digging up this chest. Or I'm kind of breaking it. So, dig up the like button. Or you could have an easier option, hit it with your nose. I'm so close. I'm so close, come on. Come on. Come on. I'm doing this on purpose. See? Wait, before I do anything. See, there's 106. This is how much it gives me. Yeah, that's a lot. That's 66. No, 64 million. That's a lot, isn't it? So I'm a godly hunter, so I like it. But what's over here? I'm always curious what is over here. I want to check what this is anyways. Oh, I got mine 500,000 blocks. I only, no, 500 million. Only mine 10 million. That's not great. Toyland, let's see. 75 rebirths. No. Well, I'm not a VIP, so I can't go to the VIP world. Dominance land. Oh, 250 million. No. 150 million? No. What? 150 rebirths. No. 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 I can't. No, I cannot do that. Medieval. 100 rebirths. No. Let's just check out this VIP island. Check it. VIP gamers. I knew it. Goodbye. What's over here? This looks suspicious. What? What is that? Are those an army of noobs? Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Ew. God. That's gross. Oh. Hey. Oh, they're drinking Bloxier Cola. I'll leave those noobs alone. Well, I'm a noob myself. Noob as well. Yeah, pretty much. Yes, sir. I'm noob. I look like a noob. They're noobs. Noob with noob. The matches. Anyways, I'll end the video here, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.